Let me wish you all the best for the upcoming IPO. First, if you could give us some details about the IPO, who would the sellers be? Are you raising any fresh money?
So it's one of the most important day of our business life, and this IPO is for offer for sale from our existing investors, me and my family. Around 18% companies getting listed, and out of which 15% is from foreign investors, approx, and 3% is from domestic investors.
Well, congratulations on the listing. Now let's talk about the strategy from here on. Are you looking at pretty much continuing with your existing lines of businesses, or are you looking at new products and entering new markets? This is, of course, on the asset side, on the lending side.
So the approach will be again similar, because we have done a lot of our detailing and our execution on retail asset. And we want to continue our journey around retail asset, which will have around vehicle finance, MSME, SME, home loans, consumer loans, and we have regrouped into a retail bank kind of thing. And one vertical has been formed around wholesale and corporate banking, which will do business banking, some sector specialization around trade finance and all those things. And we'll also allow our liability team, which has really been a branch banking, to allow them to settle down and build some granular liability for us in coming years. Till the time, we also want to focus on our wholesale liability around interbank, around your bond, securitization assignment.
Sanjay, good morning. Any reduction on the cost of funds post-conversion into small finance bank?
So I do not know how much I can speak as of now because I'm in IPO stage. But the broader numbers which we have raised in last 2 months is very overwhelming. And we have figured out that a lot of deposit can be attracted on the basis of the price differentiation in the ground. And AU has to figure out that how and where they want to, from where they want to raise their deposits, either it's in wholesale or is it retail. Because in the end, it will boil down on the pricing. So we as an organization think that on a pricing, we have a certain advantage because we can also price our asset. So for us, it won't be that difficult. We will take our call on the need basis in coming month.
How well prepared are you, Sanjay, for the asset liability mismatch, the branch expansion, the employment requirements as you transition into a small finance bank?
So, we are Jaipur-born franchise, and our whole comfort is around Rajasthan. And whatever we start new, we always want to give Rajasthan a first taste for that. So that is why the whole book is around Rajasthan, which is around 50%, but incremental is coming down. 9 years back, it was 100%. In 8-9 years, has been shifted to 50%. But I believe that other states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP, the NCR, HP, Punjab will give us good growth in coming years. And this number can be stabilized around 1/3 in next 5 years and maybe around 20% in 10 years. And we want to grow the other markets because the other market also gives us huge opportunity. And now getting a platform like bank, it's easy to have your access to the customer. Customers generally want to take loan from bank only. So, and they really respect bank platform more than any other platform. So we believe that now as a bank, we'll be in better position to execute our plans in other states. And in terms of ALM, because we are having around 90% our priority sector, 70% is around our small business loans. So that allows us to also securitize our book, and we have already have the complete ALM match till March 17. And as we move forward, I think we have to balance it out around wholesale deposit versus retail deposits, and to be conscious enough to build a decent ALM.
All right. Thanks for joining in. We'll leave it on that note then. Thanks very much. Well, that's